Uh, Hello guys. Sorry, my time of recording has ended. I'm using this program here, which is I can screencast Omatic to capture this, and I think I only have like 15 minutes or something. Otherwise, I have to pay for it. So, yeah. Where was I? So we are talking about significant weather, and yes, I have to be there. Basically 1 hour before and present to give the briefing to the captain or whatever, to my colleague, whatever it is. So 2 hours before, either at home or I don't know, before the briefing, not 1 day before, because as I said, you only have it for a short period of time, a short period forward in time. Okay. So just before the briefing, just give a look at this, record it so you can show it and brief it to your captain, colleague, student, whatever. And significant weather charts. I don't remember if I already told you, but if I didn't, if you have here all these symbology and terminology, I have searched for it in this website. I didn't find it, but you can find it in Annex 3 ICAO. Okay, meteorology. You have it there. After watching this, okay, what makes sense for you to see it? After this, you should go straight to the satellite images. And why? Because imagine this says, for instance, here. Ugh, sorry guys, they are screwing with us. No problem. So we have here, for instance, let me zoom this in. So maritime and coastal, locally we have stratus. But does this mean that every single part of the shore, because of maritime and coastal, every single part of it has mandatory stratus? For sure, no. We don't know. We may have stratus, maritime, coastal locally, so you might have it here, but not here. So how do we know for sure? We need to go for satellite 24. All right, we just go for satellite images. All right, and how do you access this? This is SAT24. I just write here SAT24 Spain. Okay, for us here in Portugal, we just come here, SAT24, and well, you can just pause it, go to the most recent, to the most, wait, sorry guys, so to the most recent one. So as you can see, if we come here, maritime, coastal, locally stratus. Here, alright, in this area. Nonetheless, you only have it here, alright? You don't have it here, for instance. You have it here. So, this just to tell you that even if significant weather says something, okay, you need to come here and check. And let me give you another tool. That is the following. So, as you can see here, you have here clouds. How do I know that these clouds are dangerous or not? Okay, how do I know this is a cumulus, this is a stratocumulus, this is a CB? Okay, so I need to come to see the radar, and this works as well as an A320 weather radar. Let me show you how do I access this from scratch. So you just go to IPMA, okay, and then you go for tempo or weather, and then imagens radar, or in Portuguese radar images. You'll end up with this map. I like to come here to mapa dynamic, so dynamic map. I prefer it. And as you see, you have here some some return. What is this? You have here a scale. Basically, this measures the return of the return of the signal that the satellite shoots down to the Earth. So, for instance, if let me change this here. If there's nothing here, okay, in this volume of air, the signal will come and will not return. But if I have a water molecule here, so let's say this Fanta is a water molecule, it will come, hit the water molecule and reflect something back. And the satellite will evaluate that return. So the more water you have, the more return you have. And for our luck, the clouds with more water will be CBs, all right? And adding to that, the CB will grow upwards. So the signal that will come up to down will encounter a lot of water molecules. So the more water, so the more the more the CBs evolved, the more return you have. Let me show you how you can assess this in the in these scales. So long story short, as you can see here, the scale, the moment it reaches light green, you want to avoid it. It's already a CB. All right. So if it's, of course, if it's a wall and it's in your way, don't go. If it's just a point, of course, go pass by it. But you're already pilots. You already know this. This is not an ATPL course. It's a SEP course. So it's just for me to give you this tool and to show you where we look at radar images. Okay. So long story short, you come to significant weather charts. You see what type of weather you have here. Afterwards, just go for satellite 24 to see what's actually there. Okay, and then if you have clouds, you can check if they are CBs or not via the radar images. Check. And guys, I think this is the Meteo. And I'm going to do the next video about let me change here. I'm going to do the next video about NOTAMs. And well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this this video. If you have any comments, anything to add, if I made mistakes, I'm sure I had. Please help me in the comments, or even during class. Tell me. Okay. Hope that you have an awesome SEP course here with us. All right. See you in the next video. Bye bye.